everyone, welcome to the Bahamas. I am here with Air Canada Vacations, where I'm going to be experiencing two of the destinations that they fly to. First up is the Exumas. Air Canada Vacations is the only Canadian tour operator that flies here direct from Toronto, and I'm going to show you guys what you can see and do while you're here.
Located in the central area of the Bahamas, the Exumas are made up of over 365 islands and keys, including Great Exuma, Little Exuma, and the Exuma Keys. This area is home to some of the most pristine waters in the world and is where vacationers and even celebrities come to relax and play. Most visitors choose to stay on Great Exuma. Air Canada Vacations is partnered with 5 hotels on the island, including the Grand Isle Resort and Spa. This 4-star luxury hotel is located on the Crescent Beach of Emerald Bay and features 78 spacious villas ranging in size from 1,000 to 5,000 square feet. The villas come equipped with 1 to 4 bedrooms, each with their own ensuite bathrooms, and include large living and dining room areas, washers and dryers, a full kitchen, and balcony views. The Grand Isle Resort and Spa also has a fitness center, spa, access to the Emerald Bay Golf Course designed by Greg Norman, and an infinity pool for daytime lounging. Grab a meal at the Palapa Grill and enjoy breakfast, lunch, and dinner with a view.
One thing I love about Air Canada Vacations is that you get to customize your trips. So after you've booked your flight and where you want to stay, you have the option to add on experiences and activities in destination. When you're here in the Exumas, you cannot miss a boat tour. You get the chance to visit all the various keys here in the Exumas. And so today we are going to take a full day tour with 4 Seas Adventure Tour Company. We are now at Thunderball Grotto, which was made very famous by the James Bond movie Thunderball. This is where all of the underwater scenes were filmed, and the only way in and out is to snorkel into it. One of the most unique things that you can do here in the Exumas is swimming with the pigs. And it is exactly what it sounds like. And now I'm just hanging out with iguanas. Well, if you're looking at a little bit of cultural and historic experiences to your trip, come and make a visit to Georgetown. It was named after King George V and is the capital of the Exumas. Here's where you'll find the seat of government, the oldest church, as well as the oldest hotel here in the Exumas. In the heart of Georgetown is the straw market, and here's where you'll find a lot of products that are made by straw. Some of these products can take up to 6 weeks to hand weave, and the craftsmanship is absolutely fantastic. It's open 6 days a week, closed on Sundays, and is a great place to come and pick up some souvenirs. If you're looking for a place to grab some lunch, you have to come to Santana's Bar and Grill. It's located in Little Exuma and specializes in seafood. It's got a great patio and it's located right on the waterfront so you can enjoy your food with a view.
Late at night, late at night.
Right now we have taken a water taxi over to Stocking Island to a place called Chat and Chill. And it's essentially a spot where you can come and relax, you can swim in the water, play some volleyball. And it's also a place where you can feed stingrays and watch a live demonstration of conch salad being made. All right, well, let's give this a try. He told us to scoop from the bottom so you get all of the juices. That's really nice. It's like sweet, savory, zesty, is refreshing. It reminds me of ceviche, so if you like ceviche, you would love conch salad.
Much fruitier and lighter than I thought it would be. More citrusy. I thought it would be fishy. Not at all. It's just really fresh and good. Do you want some?
Sure. And last but certainly not least, you have to come and visit the Tropic of Cancer beach. It's located right where the Tropic of Cancer passes through the Exumas, and if you ask me, it is the most beautiful beach in the world. Well, sadly, that wraps up my time here in the Exumas. I've had an incredible time. I really don't want to leave. I have to leave. If you would like to visit the Exumas, Air Canada Vacations currently flies here only once a week, but they're partnered up with a number of other properties aside from the Grand Isle Resort. Also, for you special viewers, I've got a discount on your next booking to the Exumas, so check out all the information below this video. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and of course subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't yet already. Thank you all so much for watching. We'll see you soon.